Hey friends, on today's episode of Auto Parts and Coffee, we're going to look at a 37 Ford Coupe. And this was painted with automotive paint, and it almost resembles like candy. So I did the same technique. I did the metallic base, and then did a couple of coats of that, and then I did spray the red on top of it, and just so that I could have that candy apple look. I just waxed it yesterday, and just to give it that extra shine. So you might see a couple of streaks here and there, but everything is pretty much box stock. Nothing out of the box or anything like that. And let's look at the inside. There's the interior. The pattern that you see, it comes with the kit, so it's pretty nice. You can see some of the wax in there. I still gotta get a toothpick and clean that out. I was trying to clean it, try to be pretty quick. And here's the other side. Let me just tilt this real quick, show you guys in the sun. So the paint, paint this a couple of years back, and it's holding up pretty good, but again, it's starting to show its age. So here's the underneath. So like I said, it's pretty much box stock, and it was a fun build, fun kit to put together. And I did it with the option of just leaving the hood off and hood on, however. All right guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the share, likes, and subscriptions. Talk to you guys on the next one. Happy modeling.